Remitly Honest Review. App: the pros, the cons. Sending money internationally. Remitly promises fast transfers and low fees, but is it the best choice for your remittances? One of the biggest pros is speed. Most people get this wrong by assuming international transfers take days. With Remitly, certain transfers can be completed within minutes, depending on the destination and payment method. The app offers both economy and express options, letting you balance speed and cost. The app is also extremely user-friendly. You can set up recipient details, track transfers in real time, and receive confirmation notifications. Transparent fees and competitive exchange rates make it easy to know exactly how much your recipient will receive. However, there are cons. Some users report that larger transfers may require additional verification, which can slow the process. Not all countries or banks are supported, limiting flexibility in certain regions. Additionally, while fees are generally low, exchange rates can fluctuate, making timing important. In conclusion, the Remitly app is ideal for people who need quick, convenient, and transparent international money transfers. The surprising truth is that while it's fast and reliable, understanding transfer limits and timing can make a big difference in your experience. For anyone sending money abroad, Remitly offers speed, clarity, and convenience, but checking supported countries and transfer options ensures a smooth transaction every time.